Welcome to Kids Planet Corner, a world of fun, learning, and knowledge. Today we will discuss opposite words. Hot, cold. Opposite of hot is cold.
Big,
Small. Opposite of big is small.
up,
Down. Opposite of up is down. Open. Close. Opposite of open is close. Fast. Slow. Opposite of fast is slow.
in the,
Out. Opposite of in is out. Stop.
go,
Opposite of stop is go.
yes, no,
Opposite of yes is no.
on, off,
Opposite of on is off. Empty. Full. Opposite of empty is full. Happy.
sad,
Opposite of happy is sad. Excited. Calm or bored. Opposite of excited is calm or bored. Brave. Scared. Opposite of brave is scared. Push. Pull. Opposite of push is pull. Enter. Exit. Opposite of enter is exit. Awake. Asleep. Opposite of awake is asleep. Shout. Whisper. Opposite of shout is whisper. Laugh.
cry,
Opposite of laugh is cry. Throw. Catch. Opposite of throw is catch. Fragrant. Stinky. Opposite of fragrant is stinky. Loud. Quiet. Opposite of loud is quiet. Tall. Short. Opposite of tall is short. Wide. Narrow. Opposite of wide is narrow. Heavy.
light,
Opposite of heavy is light.
near, far,
Opposite of near is far. Straight. Curved. Opposite of straight is curved. Smooth. Rough. Opposite of smooth is rough. Pointy. Blunty. Opposite of pointed is blunt.
day,
Night. Opposite of day is night. Young.
old,
Opposite of young is old. Messy.
neat,
Opposite of messy is neat.
dark,
Bright. Opposite of dark is bright. Hard. Soft. Opposite of hard is soft.
low,
High. Opposite of low is high. Summer. Winter. Opposite of summer is winter. Sunny. Rainy. Opposite of sunny is rainy. Sweet. Sour. Opposite of sweet is sour.
eat,
Drink. Opposite of eat is drink. Bitter. Sweet. Opposite of bitter is sweet. Fresh. Stale. Opposite of fresh is stale. New. Old. Opposite of new is old. Tight.
Loose.
Opposite of tight is loose. Fancy. Plain. Opposite of fancy is plain. Front. Back. Opposite of front is back. Wild.
Tame.
Opposite of wild is tame. Give. Take. Opposite of give is take. Start. Finish. Opposite of start is finish.
Win. Lose.
Opposite of win is lose. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and remember, click the bell icon.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye, kids.